18 hours, Nisha Podar caught up with Mr. V. Vaidyanathan, who's the Vice Chairman and MD of Future Capital Holdings, and began by asking him if the 100 crores to be invested by Warburg Pincus will be enough to give a much-needed boost to the group.
Yes, our capital adequacy is already about 18.5%. With 100 crores of additional capital coming in, we'll be absolutely quite comfortable.
Right. What really went wrong, Mr. Vaidyanathan, with this business that promoters had to exit? And also, I remember the IPO price was above 760 rupees per share, and you're selling the company at the moment at 162 rupees. The current market price is at about 145 rupees per share. So what really went wrong since the IPO happened to now, and what could change with Warburg Pincus now coming on in the foreground?
Well, we've got to go back a long time in history to think about that. But certainly business models changed, I think, over a period of time, and also I think maybe the economic environment changed. But specifically over the last couple of years, the company is really on a very, very good track of growth. The profits of the company this year is about 105 crores against 49 crores last year. So clearly we are on a good wicket. Now, as far as Warburg is concerned, Warburg has a track record in India of investing successfully in companies like Bharti and Kotak and so on. Clearly capital is one thing, but apart from capital, Warburg is also represented on the board. And I think considering the key lines of businesses we are playing in, there is a very significant opportunity for growth.
Right. And talking about Warburg Pincus, now that they are coming on board, what all will they bring to the table which will benefit you to enhance the group and the company? The
key line of business that we do, or maybe the key three lines of businesses we do, is the MSME space. The MSME space, as you know, there are maybe millions of enterprises in India which need capital, and we usually give loans to the order of ticket sizes between 50 lakhs to a crore, and that is a big space. So we see a big opportunity for growth there. It's an opportunity for banks, all right, but it's still a big opportunity for us as well. Number two, we are financing, say, the two-wheeler financing business, which again, underpenetrated, big opportunity. Thirdly, we do durable financing for say, fridges and televisions, which is largely an uncontested space. There is competition, but there is still an opportunity. So these are all opportunities for growth. And I think that with the Warburg presence, we can have capital for growth.
Right. And would Warburg, the new promoters, would also look at delisting the company in any sense?
There is no such plans.
And talk about the board composition. Now that the promoters have changed, you remain on the board of Future Capital Holdings, and also the country head of Warburg Pincus is also going to join in. What are the other changes which could happen in the board at the moment?
No significant changes. I think maybe two new board members will get, of course, inducted as part of this process, maybe one or two. That's the right Warburg have as part of this process, and I think that is the fundamental change.